We are here today to ensure that justice is done for my sister's long-standing battle in the ITU at Queen Elizabeth Hospital, Birmingham. At the end of the day, she was 19 years old and we all wanted her to live, and mainly she wanted to live and she had that vision. Even she respected that quality of life is the greatest gift given by God, and at the end of the day, that right was taken away from her and she was called deluded by the courts and the system, and they let her down.
She was the girl that wanted to live. She was the girl that was saying to the doctors, treat me, don't sedate me. I want to go to Canada. I want to continue experimental treatment. There is a terrible and chilling judgment from this very court that said she was deluded. She was deluded because she couldn't understand what the doctors were saying. I can tell you this, because we even met Sudiksha. She was not deluded. She knew that she wanted, if she was going to die, then she was going to die trying to live, and the system was robbing her of that.
When someone is critical in a hospital, their wishes must be heard, and they should not be called deluded or mentally unstable when there was lots of mistakes done from the medical side of things. So at the end of the day, my sister was blamed for things that was not her fault. And we want to ensure that no other family should go through the same suffering that we did.
I think that Sudiksha's case brings into the light this big question of mental capacity, this big question also of parental agency, this big question of saying we've got an alternative way of dealing with this, of dealing actually with death. Even if it's death, we've got another way of dealing with it, and we don't want to be confined to the hospital room. Listen, I love the courts system. I became a lawyer because I wanted to see justice done in the courts. I believe that doctors, they want to do the right thing. But you know, the truth is, we're in a system nonetheless that has ruled that Sudiksha did not have mental capacity when experts had ruled that she did. When she could communicate and said, don't do this to me. That has to be challenged. And that is why we're here.